All right, moving on to 9.2, solving sine law problems. So try these. Label the sides of the triangle and complete these. So big D, E, F, little f. Big D over sine D, E over sine E, F over sine F. D, E over E, F over F. Okay, so the 8-pointed morning star. Traditional quilt Sioux culture, the point of the star are congruent isosceles triangles. The base species is 21.5, angle is 46. What's the length of AB and CA? So all we gotta do, I think it's 21.5, 46 degrees. They're asking these and these. So we're congruent. We know that both angles are going to be the same, so we can go 180 minus 46, which is 134. Divide that by 2, it's 67. So both of these are 67 degrees. What is the length of side AB, CA? They're going to be the same. Sine B over 67 is equal to 21.5 over sine of 46. Rearrange, so bring this to the other side. We have sine 67 is 21.5 over sine 46. Pump that in your calculator and you're going to get 27.5. So that's the length of this and this side. All right, example, Grant is making a stained glass window. He wants to use a triangle in the diagram at the right. Each side of the triangle will be the base of the golden rectangle. What were the dimensions of each golden rectangle? So we have degree, a side, and a side. A golden rectangle is a length that is about 1.6 times the width. The golden rectangle is often used in art and in architecture. Okay, so let's figure it out then. Determine the angle. A over A, B over B. So we know this is 21.2 over sine 37, 13.1. That's from all the stuff right here. Bring this to the other side. 21.2 sine 37, 13.1. Put that in your calculator, you get a decimal of 0.97 ... We have to inverse sine it to get that decimal to something useful because we prefer degrees in math. So inverse sine that and you will get a 77 degrees. It says keep all decimal digits in part A and B for later calculations, but it's all good. What is the measure of angle C, or what is the length? So all we got to do, there's 180 degrees in a triangle, minus A minus B, 180 minus 76.8, or 77, and we get 37 and 66. Good. Now we can calculate the, using the answer, we can calculate C now. Sine of 66 degrees over C equals sine 13.1 over 37. Flip that to the other side. And we get that after in your calculator, we get 19.9 centimeters, I guess, right? Yeah. So, C, what will be the dimensions of each golden triangle? Length 13.1, width 13 divided by that is 8. Oops, 8. Width 21.2 divided by that is 13.1. So we have 19.9, 19.9 divided by 1.6, 12.3. The rectangle in AC is 13 by 8.1. This one's 21 by 13.1. And the last one, 19.9 by 12.3. So we got all of the sides of all these three by using the ratio. Okay, so practice. Lucien is building a bridge across a creek in British Columbia. He took measurements along shorelines A, B, right over here, as shown. What is the length of the bridge? So let's do that one. It's not too bad, but just as a little intro for you. So we have C, A, B. At 78, 137. What's angle C? Angle C is 180 minus 37 minus 78. So we get 65 degrees. Now we'll go B over sine B equals C over sine C, which is B over sine of 37 equals 100 divided by sine 65. Bring that to the other side. B equals sine 37 times 100 divided by sine 65. So B will end up being 66.4. Little b, so that's the bridge that we're calculating. Good. You guys can do that. I'll show you the measurements of this one. I'll redraw it. So this is a right angle in here. And then it's 42 degrees. This one is 48 degrees. And this is 60.2, 40.0, and 45.0. She's shingling dorms as shown to the right. It's a 90 degree. What angle along X, YX? West Madison cut the shingles on the dormer. So we're looking for this angle, which is right there. So you have this. What's this angle? You can label it ABC, whatever you want. Figure out this one, it's 42 degrees. Just show your work right here. Okay. Last page here. We have A, B, C. We have something looking for little a, which is over here. Diameter of the base is 160 feet. 68 degrees. The poles, so from here to the floor in this is 68, and on this side 68. So we're looking 68A, C 160. So all you got to do is take 68 and 68, minus it from 180, get this angle. Then when you get that angle, you'll have angle, side, calculate this with the formula. So it's a two-part. I think you guys could do that. All right, and then 5. A triangle is solved when all three side lengths are and all three angles are known. Follow these steps to solve BKY. So what I like to do, I go A, B, C. So I have little c, I have little b here, little a here. Determine K, which is going to be A. well, I'm gonna be going sine of A over little a, which is 7, equals sine C, which is 58, over 7.9. Bring that to the other side. Sine A equals 7 times sine 58 over 7.9. I get 0.75 dot dot dot. Sine inverse of 0.75 in my calculator will give me an angle of 49 degrees. So pretty quick, pretty short. Now get B. That's this. Well, all you have to do, now that you have this one and this one, 180 minus 58 minus 49 equals your answer. And then little b, you'll do, I'll give you the formula, and you can get the answer. B over sine B equals, we can do C over sine C. So you have this one, you have this one. This you get from right here, and then this we're solving for. Do that, and you're good. All right, that's it for 9.2.